This research project will be focusing on the design and development of a liner-enhanced pressure vessel for extreme food process environments to address the problem of the exciting traditions processed food manufacturing. The main objective of the project is to design and develop a liner-enhanced pressure vessel that will meet the technical and operational requirements of rapid curing technology engineered in accordance to the Section 8 of ASME Code and Rule 1170 of the Philippine Occupational Safety and Health Standards and fabricated using best industry practices. The group will design and develop the curing vessel for salted egg production that can operate at high pressure and vacuum condition and elevated temperature, taking into consideration the compatibility of construction material with the saturated brine, sodium hypochlorite, and ozone. The project will tackle a major R&D bottleneck facing one innovative food process that has many potential applications in food development, particularly on quality, safety, and shelf life improvement. This project enabling intervention supports the national government harmonized national R&D agenda on food and nutrition security for the country. Batangas province is home to an egg industry, making it extremely vulnerable to seasonal egg oversupply. To contribute to the stability and sustainability in the egg sector, the company realigned its future expansion plans to involve stakeholders in the chicken egg value chain through toll processing so that the wider public may soon enjoy an affordable, conveniently available, safe, nutritious food staple consistent with the nation's food security strategy. Eggciting Traditions processed foods manufacturing produce salted egg using rapid curing technology. This process reduces shell egg curing time to less than 5 days and extends its shelf life to more than 6 months without need for refrigeration. The company was originally conceived to cater to the premium market with its product quality and has won local, regional, and national awards. The absence of a suitable process vessel does not only affect the company's profitability, it also hindered the company's ongoing process improvements and expansion plans, indefinitely denying the egg industry the only culturally sensible value-adding strategy to gainfully manage seasonal oversupply. Egg oversupply period normally lasts for 2 months against the technology's salted egg shelf life of over 6 months. The development of the suitable process vessel for rapid hygienic curing having remained as a major technological barrier in the full commercialization of the technology and wider presence and availability of quality salted chicken egg product will positively contribute to the expansion and sustainable growth of the local chicken egg industry. The process vessel is the heart of the rapid curing production line. It is where disinfection, rapid curing, and rinsing takes place, meaning that all the essential elements of rapid hygienic curing occurs inside the process vessel. The process vessel is also at the core of the automated operation, having all the sensors installed and other future instrumentation upgrades. The development of a suitable process vessel that will satisfy the ideal operating parameters required of the rapid curing process, compliant to engineering and regulatory requirements, will provide the only compelling solution to the company's current need and future commercial expansion plans that will surely benefit the local egg industry. The most significant positive environmental impact of the process innovation over traditional method of salted egg production is resource conservation and pollution prevention. The process invention has the ability to recycle the curing solution many times over. The enterprise will expand the market for fresh chicken egg being its raw material, and with the salted egg products' prolonged shelf life up to 6 months without need for refrigeration, egg farmers will be able to manage the seasonal oversupply through toll agreements in value adding and seasonal oversupply that lasts for about 3 months.